India gi 73 suba ningtam numit palan tawboina Manipur dasu Chief Minister N Biren Singh na hapta kangjibung dagi moirang phawa bike rally lamthagre. Bike rally chatkidaba biker sing mataramna ulatuna CM N Biren Singh na haiki bike rally asina India gi ningtambagi amadi leibak asibu semgat sagatpagi laukhiba thaudang kaya adubu miyamda yauhangani tungda bike rally chatkiba miyamgidamakta CM na prayer tawki. Honorable CM N Biren Singh flagged off 2 motorbike rallies in celebration of 75th years of independence today from Hapta Kangjibung to Moirang and Mao. Honorable CM welcomed the riders from different ride groups participating in the bike rally from Mao and said the riders will spread the message of India's independence and the people's responsibility towards building unity in the country. Honorable CM further prayed for the safe return of the riders. He also said the nation under Honorable Prime Minister is celebrating the country's 75th years of independence as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and remembering the sacrifices of the people and leaders in their efforts to achieve independence.
Jaliwala Bagda, Mission Prajatia, Hatkiba, Adumagi Laban Simba, Britain Tanasanga, Channel Dugo, Hatkiba Dugumba, Punjabi Macha, Aduga, Saitaberg and Grown Homebroke and the Bharat British School, Tanfog of Honakiba, Mahatma Gandhi, Saitagraha, Netaji Subhash Chandra Geduma movement, Bharat Basi Mahapura British movement to among other things, akan Bharat Kama, upon the Bharat Kama seminar, see and walk on Durga. When Makwai, Yako Powder, wish you all the best. Thank you.